is that we've got 3 colleagues with us today just to talk about how when we get teams together we can do really amazing things. Just had a bit of a look outside in the rain at what we're hoping to do for the support of our staff, and that's the working title of Garden for Life. So Becky, just tell me about your role in the garden and what does it mean to you and your colleagues?
So during the first wave of COVID, myself and many other colleagues were redeployed to COVID areas. And so one of the hardest parts of nursing during that time was that relatives couldn't visit their loved ones, whether they had COVID or not. And so often patients would come via ambulance or by their family, and then they were never seen again by their family members. That was really difficult to manage. And when we introduced last days of life visiting for relatives, because the whole pandemic was completely new, relatives were really in a dilemma about coming in to see their loved ones because they had children at home who were perhaps vulnerable, or relatives, and they had to self-isolate, and it was a scary time, so it was a big decision to make. So when I went back to my job, my normal job, I woke up and I thought, we could have something where people could pay their respects near to where their family members spent their last days or hours of life. Something that we could, it would become part of the history of Derriford, and also so that staff could go there and reflect on their experiences, good or bad, a quiet area. And so I contacted Amanda from the comms team, and she said, great minds think alike. Sian Dennison has had exactly the same thoughts. Why don't you get your heads together? And so it started from there, and some dodgy drawings. And the team grew, and of course they brought new ideas to the fore. And so it's gone from a memorial to a much bigger project now. And everybody's worked really hard on this outside of their usual jobs, because it's so important to all of them, not just to individuals. And I think it would be, I think it's a really worthwhile project.